Have you ever wondered how to do this? I'll show you how to do that for free using Canva in under 3 minutes. Start a new project, then pick a project size. I'm gonna go with story size empty template this time. And now upload your photo here. I have already uploaded this lovely and professional portrait of Ava, so I'm gonna choose this one with the background. I'll move it a bit so I have enough space and create a copy. Next is removing background. To remove a background, tap on photo and find background removal in effect. If you don't have Canva Pro, use remove.bg for free. Once you have background removed, head to Elements to find the frame. You can quickly search this option typing frame. Drag and drop original image to the frame element so image becomes part of the frame. Now double tap to the frame and adjust image size the way you would like to see it and confirm with tap on done. Next, we need to lock Ava's frame portrait and also bring position of the other image with no background to the front. Aligning image over the image frame may be a bit tricky, so I recommend reducing transparency to hit an exact match easier. The last step is cropping image with no background to get a final result. Also, it's a good idea to group it together. Tap on one of the image and tap on the 3 dots and choose select. Tap on second image and then choose a group from the menu. That's it. Now it acts as a one single image. My name is Joseph from Can Do Create. Until next time, bye.